Hi and welcome back to my channel. So, since 25th of March 2021, it was possible to enter Seychelles without any quarantine on arrival, provided that of course you show a negative PCR test. We landed, passed through immigration, collected our luggage and got our car with just 1 hour. Cars drive on the left-hand side and speed limit is 40 km per hour. We didn't have a SIM card, so we asked the car rental company staff to share his internet with us so that we can load the directions before heading out to our accommodation in Beau Vallon. It was such a beautiful drive from Victoria Airport. The road trip starts here. Look at the mountains. If you don't have a car and under normal circumstances, there are those big Tata buses. However, with COVID, the use of any public transport is not allowed for tourists. Roads are steep and narrow, as you can see. The bus will not give way and tend to drive faster than the speed limit.
Plage de Beau Vallon. Ouais, c'est cadeau.
So this is where we're staying for the next 2 days. There is a small kitchen, so we can cook a bit. And this is the bathroom, the bedroom. After checking in and unpacking some of our luggage, we went to change some money and we got ourselves a SIM card. We also went closer to the beach to have a late lunch. I think it was around 4 p.m. that day. The restaurant was located with this beachfront view and we went to chill on the beach after lunch. And we went back to our Airbnb to chill by the pool. I had this very old buoy that I wanted to use, but the pump didn't work anymore, so I ended up inflating it myself. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!